Difference between bay and bow window. Bay windows and bow windows are popular architectural features that extend outward from a home's exterior wall, creating additional interior space and providing a wide view of the outdoors. While they share some similarities, they differ in design, structure, and aesthetic appeal. Bay windows. 1. Design and structure. Configuration bay windows typically consist of 3 panels, a large central window flanked by 2 smaller side windows. The side windows are usually set at angles of 25 to 45 degrees from the house wall. Shape. This configuration creates a trapezoidal shape from the exterior, giving the bay window its distinct angular appearance. Types of windows. The central window is often a fixed picture window that does not open, while the side windows can be casement or double-hung windows that are operable, providing ventilation. 2. Appearance and functionality. Exterior view bay windows have a more angular, protruding look due to the sharp angles at which the side windows are set. This creates a defined box-like appearance from the outside. Interior use. Inside, bay windows create a small nook or alcove, which is often used for seating like a window seat, a reading corner, or additional display space. Light and ventilation. They allow plenty of natural light into a room and provide good ventilation if the side windows are operable. Bow windows. 1. Design and structure. Configuration. Bow windows typically consist of 4 to 6 panels that form a curved, gently arching structure. Shape. Unlike bay windows, bow windows are set in a curved shape that creates a more rounded appearance both inside and outside the home. Types of windows. The windows in a bow configuration are usually narrower than those in a bay window. These can be a combination of fixed and operable windows, depending on the design preferences. 2. Appearance and functionality. Exterior view. Bow windows have a more rounded, elegant appearance compared to bay windows. The curved design creates a softer, more subtle extension from the home's exterior. Interior use. Inside, bow windows provide a more expansive feel due to the curved layout. This style is particularly suited for creating a panoramic view of the outside, making it ideal for rooms that overlook gardens, waterfronts, or scenic landscapes. Light and ventilation. Bow windows allow more natural light into the room due to their curved design and greater number of window panels, but they may offer less ventilation than bay windows if fewer panels are operable. Cost. Bay windows are generally less expensive than bow windows due to their simpler design with fewer panels. Bow windows cost more because of their curved structure and the additional materials and labor required for installation. Kindly subscribe our channel.